Hello. Today we will be creek fishing at this old dried up creek with the shopping cart. Oh, sorry. So, first off, we're going to start with the rooster tail and see what we can catch. Just gonna slow roll it past some weeds, see if there's any hungry bass or sunfish willing to hit a little spinner. Oh, just got hit. Oh, there's one. And here we got green sunfish. Pretty little guys. Let's get them unhooked and get them back. Ouch. Got the single hook rooster tail. It's probably my favorite creek fishing lure. But nice little green sunfish, we're gonna set them back. Goodbye. After I catch a couple of sunfish, we're gonna see if I can't catch some bass. Just slow rolling this little spinner. Alright. Nothing that cast. Oh, that was a bad cast. Past these weeds, there's always a fish. Oh, that was a big takedown. Did you see that swirl? Whoa, that's almost like a topwater. Good Lord, I'm gonna cast back there and see if he's the one that eats. Or see if he's gonna eat again. So, well, I don't think he wanted to come back for it. I did set up a minnow trap out here a couple days ago. Lost the line. Oh, there's one. I lost the line to it. I was just about to say that. But another green sunfish. This time he's smaller. Well, anyway, I was just saying that I had set a minnow trap out here the other day, but I lost the line. Next time I do that, I probably need to tie it to like a log. There's not much out here to tie it to though. Oh, sorry buddy. Aww. He's hooked real good. Some random Karen shouting at kids. Aww. Poor little guy. We have to get pliers. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, little guy got stuck in the weeds. There we go. Got him unhooked. Back to the water. Poor little dude. He got hooked really good. Well, there's some people. There's almost never anybody here. Really got bit there. This little girl is just shouting bird calls or whatever. Oh, just gonna continue to fish. Nothing that cast. Cast him back again. Oh, just got bit.
Come on, Daisy.
Most of them are just nipping at the lure. Nice little cast there. Oh, top water. Something major swirled on it. The brim in here are usually big. Oh, he took another swipe at it. The brim in here are usually pretty big. Needs to lead it this one. Yep. Well, back to casting over there. I mean, this spot always produces fish. It's caught bass, green sunfish, bluegill, long ear. I mean, it's the perfect little place to go on evenings whenever you're just wanting to do some low-key. Oh, that was a bite. Whenever you're just wanting to do. Oh my God! I just watched him eat it. That was so cool. Some girls throwing stuff. Oh no! That was a bass in the weeds. I thought somebody was throwing some rocks, but no. I might have to get out a frog. I did bring my frog rod because there's some decent sized bass. But let's get this guy back in there. Alright, that's 3 fish. Hope y'all liked that video and you can give me some feedback on how to make them better. That was just my first YouTube video, so hopefully y'all can give me some feedback. Bye y'all.